Today we can study solubility and Henry's law. What is solubility? Solubility of a substance is its a maximum amount that can be dissolved in a specific amount of a solvent at a specified temperature. There is specific amount of a solvent at a specified temperature. Temperature should be same and or specific and amount of a solvent also should be specific. Suppose 100 ml of 100 ml of water and 5 gram of sugar. 5 gram of sugar. That is suppose this in 100 ml of water, 5 gram of sugar can dissolve. This is the solubility. Solubility 5 gram per 100 ml. So temperature also should remain same. And solubility depends on the factors nature of a solute and solvent, temperature and pressure. Now nature. So solubility, this is nature. Nature of the solute and solvent changes, the solubility also changes. Solubility depends on the nature of a solute and nature of a solvent. For example, solute like urea and glucose, they have no same nature. They have different solubility in the same solvent. And that is polar solutes dissolve in polar solvent. Polar solutes dissolve in polar solvents, and non-polar solutes dissolve in non-polar solutes. That is like dissolve like dissolving like. That is nature. Depending on the nature of a solute and solvent, solubility may change. Now, solute in solid. That is, solution is formed by dissolving solute in a solvent. Solute is dissolved in a solvent. Suppose solute is a solid and solvent is a liquid. In that case, if the dissolution is endothermic, solubility increases on heating. That is, solubility increases. But if the dissolution is exothermic, solubility decreases. Now, pressure does not depend on the solubility of solids and liquids, because solids and liquids are not compressible. Solids and liquids are not compressible. So pressure has not effect on the solubility of solids and liquids. Now, let us consider a gas is dissolved in liquid. Gas is dissolved in a liquid. That means a solution is formed by dissolving certain amount of gas in a liquid. In that case, a solution is formed. This when a solution is gas is dissolved in liquid, it is an exothermic process. It is a exothermic process. Exothermic means heat is liberated. Now, when pressure increases, when pressure of the gas increases, the amount of gas dissolved also increases. That is, mass of gas dissolved is directly proportional to pressure. When we apply pressure, more gases will be dissolved in. That is a Henry's law. One form of Henry's law states that at a constant temperature, the solubility of a gas in a liquid is directly proportional to the pressure of the gas. Solubility, that is the solubility of a gas in a liquid, is directly proportional to the pressure of the gas. M is proportional to P. And we know that suppose a liquid is there. When a liquid alone is there, that is called vapor pressure of pure solvent, P0A, when it is alone. But when we dissolve in some solute, like gas, carbon dioxide gas is dissolved. Suppose in water, this is water and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide gas is there, then solubility, then pressure exerted by each is called partial vapor pressure. Then it is called a partial vapor pressure of A and partial vapor pressure of water and partial vapor pressure of carbon dioxide. Partial vapor pressure carbon. Then the pressure. When a gas alone is there, only one gas or only one substance is there. Then the pressure is called a vapor pressure. But when mixture of substance is there, then the pressure is called a partial vapor pressure. Now, when the partial pressure in a liquid, in a solution, two components, if two components are there, then each component exerts pressure. That pressure is directly proportional to its mole fraction. So we can write partial pressure is directly proportional to mole fraction. So Henry's law can state in this way also, the partial pressure of a gas in vapor phase. Partial pressure of gas in vapor phase is proportional to the mole fraction of the gas in the solution. Partial pressure of the gas in the vapor phase is proportional to the mole fraction of the gas in the solution. So we can write P is proportional to X. Or we can write P is equal to constant Kh into X, where constant Kh is called Henry's law constant. Kh is called Henry's law constant. This is Henry's law. Henry's law can be stated in two ways. One is the solubility of a gas in a liquid is directly proportional to the pressure of the gas. Then another one, partial pressure of the gas in the vapor phase is proportional to the mole fraction of gas in the liquid. Now this is the representation, graphical representation of Henry's law. The partial pressure is plotted against a mole fraction. That is, as the pressure increases, this solubility, also mole fraction, also gas increases. Now Kh. It has been studied that solubility and Kh is inversely proportional to inversely proportional. Solubility and Henry's law constant inversely proportional. That is, as Kh increases, solubility decreases. As Kh decreases, solubility increases on in temperature. On increasing temperature, solubility of a gas decreases. Solubility of gas decreases. On increasing temperature, solubility of gas increases. Solubility of gas on increasing temperature, solubility of gas decreases. That is, we studied that the solubility of gas is exothermic process. Exothermic process on increasing temperature. So that is a gas plus liquid. A gas plus liquid is equal to solution. Is equal to solution plus heat. That is, heat is liberated. Exothermic. When heat is given, temperature is given, according to Lavoisier's principle, the system will try to decrease the temperature. To decrease the temperature, this solution absorbs heat and the process will take place in the reverse direction. That is, solubility decreases. So, on increasing temperature, solubility decreases. That is why warm water is not comfortable for aquatic life. That is, cold water is comfortable for aquatic life. In cold water, temperature is low. As the temperature is low, more gases, oxygen is dissolved. As aquatic life is comfortable. Now, applications of Henry's law is soft drinks. Carbon dioxide is dissolved in water. There is solubility, soda water or soft drinks. To increase the solubility of carbon dioxide in the drinks or soda water, the bottles are sealed under high pressure. Very high pressure, carbon dioxide gas dissolved in water. Another one is a bends. It is a medical condition found in scuba divers. Scuba divers means the persons who go deep under the sea. When they carry oxygen cylinders and when they go deep under the sea, pressure is high. Under the sea, pressure is high. As a result, more gases are dissolved in their blood. But when they come up to the surface of the sea, the pressure decreases. That is deep under the deep pressure high. Surface pressure decreases. Surface pressure low. Pressure is low at the surface of the sea. As a result, due to low pressure, the gases present in the blood comes out through the capillary through the blood vessels. The gases, especially nitrogen, bubbles out. That process, as they get to pain, that condition is called a bends. That is, bends is a medical condition seen in scuba divers due to the oozing out of coming out of gases, especially nitrogen gas due to low solubility, that get pain, give pain. That is called a bends. Then another one is anoxia. Anoxia means people living in high altitude or a mountainous, seen mountainous. That is anoxia. It is a medical condition. At a uh, height, pressure is low pressure. Due to low pressure, solubility of oxygen in the blood is low. Due to low oxygen solubility, the blood, the cells get deficiency of a low oxygen. As a result, they get pain. They get anemic. They get anemic, and the thinking capacity decreases, and that medical condition is called anorexia. These are the three applications. That is today's class.